Sight words.
Grade 1.
500 useful sight words for English learners. Part 7.
Exhibit.
I'm visiting an exhibit.
Exist.
The company exists to help people.
Exit.
I'm exiting the building.
Expect.
I expect to see you tomorrow.
Expensive.
The car is very expensive.
Experience.
I have experience in the field.
Experiment.
I'm conducting an experiment.
Expert.
I'm an expert in the subject.
Explain.
Can you explain it to me?
Explore.
I'm exploring the new city.
Express.
I'm expressing my feelings.
Extend.
Can you extend the deadline?
Extra.
I'm getting extra help.
Eye.
I'm looking with my eye.
Face.
I'm washing my face.
Fact.
It's a fact that the earth is round.
Factory.
I'm visiting a factory.
Fail.
I don't want to fail the test.
Fair.
The game is fair.
Fall.
I'm falling asleep.
False.
The statement is false.
Family.
I love my family.
Famous.
The actor is very famous.
Fan.
I'm a fan of the team.
Far.
The distance is very far.
Farm.
I'm visiting a farm.
Fast.
The car is very fast.
Father.
My father is very kind.
Fault.
It's not my fault.
Favor.
I'm doing a favor for my friend.
Favorite.
My favorite food is pizza.
Fear.
I have a fear of heights.
Feature.
The phone has a new feature.
Feel.
I feel very happy.
Fellow.
I'm a fellow student.
Female.
The teacher is female.
Fence.
I'm building a fence.
Few.
I have a few dollars.
Field.
I'm playing on the field.
Figure.
I'm trying to figure it out.
File.
I'm filing my taxes.
Fill.
Can you fill out the form?
Film.
I'm watching a film.
Final.
This is the final exam.
Find.
I'm trying to find my keys.
Fine.
The weather is fine.
Finger.
I hurt my finger.
Finish.
I'm finishing my homework.
Fire.
I'm making a fire.
Firm.
The company is very firm. Now you have completed Sight Words Part 7.
Enjoy the song about the sun as your reward.
Giant balls of glowing gas spinning in the dark. High adrenaline helium making such a spark. Blue is hot and red is cool, shining in the night. Yellow like our happy sun, giving us its light. Connect the dots up in the sky, a bear, a flying horse. Constellations shining bright, guiding on our course. Gravity is holding tight, squeezing all the heat. Making heavy elements a cosmic dancing beat. When a giant star gets old, he goes out with the boom. A supernova flashing bright across the starry room. Traveling for a million years, light zooms through the space, twinkling from so far away to reach our smiling face. Our sun is just a medium, closest one we know. It warms the earth and feeds the plants and helps the flowers grow. Born inside a dusty cloud, a nebula so grand, baby stars begin to glow across the cosmic sand. Billions of them grouped together in a galaxy, swirling like a pinwheel, bright for everyone to see. Why do all the stars go blink? It's just the Earth's own air.